Welcome back to I Got It Out the Soil. And today is October 26th. I want to give y'all updated after the 14-day fruit fast, how I'm maintaining my weight. I have gained about 5 to 6 pounds. Here's how I'm looking. I want to give y'all an overall look. So I'm gonna pan the camera down so y'all can see my whole shape. So my head might be cut off. This is how I'm looking from the front. This is how I'm looking from the side. This is how I'm looking from the back. Hopefully y'all can see this. Then from the other side. And right now I'm working on toning up so I can get my belly back flat as it was. So I'm drinking some. What I'm doing now is to get my belly flat. I'm drinking my relaxed digestive tea. In the morning, I just started it yesterday. I was bloated. This is bloat. It's not actual fat that I gotta get down. Taking my relaxed digestive herbal tea. I'm also up in the fruit content, so I'm eating the blueberries. Apples are in season now. If I can find plums, I think they're going to be in season. I think that's fall. Don't comment on that. I do not like pears, so I would not be eating pears. I do have frozen fruit, so I do have my mango, peaches, strawberry fruit smoothie. I made like a fruit, either a smoothie bowl or a fruit smoothie. One day I will show y'all what I eat in a day. I was able to pick one of my honeydew melons, so I do have that in the morning. It's not much. I do have that for 2 days. So I eat walnut mushroom meat for chilies, tacos, things of that nature. They're not raw. I do saute the mushrooms and the walnut. What I'm using for pasta is chickpea pasta, so it's gluten free, and the starch that's normally in wheat or white based pastas shoot your sugar levels, insulin levels through the roof, and the chickpea do not do that. It's extra protein as well. I'm eating tuna salad, and I will show y'all how I make my tuna salad. It's with chickpeas. That's how I currently eating. I believe I'm still maintaining. I still my face is still slim, skinny. I did gain a little bit of weight back, not that much, so I am maintaining my weight. I think this is a good weight. I'm currently at 136.7, and that was right after I ate. Well, that was 30 minutes to an hour after I ate. So we gonna blame that extra 2 pounds on eating and water intake. But anyway, I did work out today. Did like a little home workout. I did not record it, guys. This is my first day starting back, and I didn't want to overwhelm myself. I did not record that, but I am going to record some of my home workouts once I actually yeah, because it don't have to be cute, girl. You can see me struggling, okay? Struggle bus. That's all good, okay? Everybody struggle when they first start getting back into working out, and it wouldn't be Get It Out the Soil if we didn't have the noise, because you know Get It Out the Soil bring the noise, baby, okay? So that's a little bit what's going on with my update. I wanted to film when the sun is setting, but if y'all can see here, there's no doggone sun, okay? It is a cloudy day. It's actually supposed to be raining in the next hour. This is how I'm currently looking. This is the look. This is the look. I just want to show y'all again how I'm looking from the side and the back. Just give y'all a look. I'm not sucking in or anything like that. Matter of fact, let me pull this down. Let me pull it down so y'all can see. Okay? So this is the real deal, Holyfield, okay? I'm not sucking it in or anything like that. So I should have did it the first time. So this is how I'm looking. So I did want to show y'all that. Okay. Okay. Look back. My back fat ain't come back all the way. I'm trying to keep this back fat down. So, real deal Holyfield, okay? So I'm maintaining the weight. I plan to make, I am still intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting come natural to me. It's just an 8-hour window, 16 hours off. I am a snacker. So in the middle of the night, I do want a snack, but I just lay my ass down and drink some water or some tea or something. Do not sweeten my tea. My tea is unsweetened. That's just added sugar, like for what? I don't want to do that. So I don't put sugar in my tea. Oh, what I'm eating for snacks is I make a little concoction of peanut butter, oats, agave, crunch up a little bit of nuts, some chocolate chip that's vegan, and I mix that all together, make like a little protein bar with that. So that'll be my little sweet treat to myself. But I rarely make that. I think I got some. Oh, I should get it so y'all can see my little chocolate bar. And comment down below if y'all want to see me make the little protein chocolate bars. Is it really protein though? I guess my sweet little snacks. I'm gonna try to make some. I bought some coconut shreds that I'm gonna try to incorporate in the bar. But hold on, let me get I got a small little piece left, so let me get it. I just wrapped my bar in some parchment paper. Oh, it broke apart. This is what it looks like. See the walnuts? This is oats, walnuts, chocolate chips, and peanut butter. Almond butter. I don't use peanut butter. With a little agave to sweeten up the almond butter and some sea salt. So comment down below if y'all want me to make this. A little sweet treat. A little sweet treat. So I eat this in my 8-hour window. Tastes really good. And when I'm having a sweet craving, agave nectar don't shoot your sugar through the roof either. So I use that. The chocolate I use is a dark chocolate. It's semi-sweet. Oh, I had bought these new avocado chips that I snack on as well. Let me get that. I found these chips at Walmart, and the serving size is 12 crackers, and it's 130 calories. You see that? This tastes so good. I love these. I make this little mixture right here. I think they got peppers instead of tomatoes. Back to what I was saying. These new chips is called Crunch Masters avocado toast. This is the avocado toast, salt and pepper flavored. It's 130 per calories, and it's a serving size 12 crackers. Do I eat the serving size? Probably not, but I don't have many calories, so I can have about 2,000 calories a day, so this is nothing. I eat majority fruit. So yeah, but I be trying to have discipline for this bag, but girl, one day I ate the whole bag. Don't tell nobody I ate the whole bag. It was just that good, girl. It was just that good. I ate the whole bag one time. Shout out to them calories, girl. You know how many calories that was that day, girl? I had to eat nothing but fruit. I couldn't eat nothing else. How many servings? About 3.5, okay? About 3.5 servings. So I had about, what is that? 390. Okay. Let's have a 1. Let's have a 13, 1250. What is it? So I had 400 402 calories. 402.5 calories. That's how you say it. Say it. 400. I had over 400 calories so I ate the whole bag. I did eat some, you know what I'm saying? I think I had some mushroom tacos that they wrapped in butter crunch lettuce. So good. So I only had like, give or take, I probably had, I don't have those many calories a day, y'all. I really don't. Because I eat majority fruit, and those are calories in that. It's just not as high, especially with something processed with salt and probably sugar. I'm quite sure. Yeah, 1 gram of sugar. Alright. Don't do like I did, okay? Don't eat a whole bag. Okay, I only did that one time. Relax. If y'all interested in these chips, you can get it on Walmart. I think they're 3 something, if I'm not mistaken. Almost $4. They are 3.5 ounces. Okay. Now if these calories too high, find you something else. They got some more some more flavors other than the toasted salt and pepper kind, but these are delicious. You heard it here first. This is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. Thank you for watching the channel. I am appreciative of all of my subscribers that has been subscribing lately. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I got it out the soil. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Comment down below and give me some content ideas if you would like to do so. Comment down below if you're thinking about starting a fruit fast, and maybe I can give you some tips on that. Comment. Always remember to get it out the soil no matter what. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the video with somebody you care about, because sharing is caring. Let them know what we doing over here on I Got It Out the Soil. Ring that notification bell so you will know every time I drop a video. And until next time, peace. I'll see you in my next video. And it wouldn't be I Got It Out the Soil if we ain't bringing the noise. So here's the airplane, guys. Yay. Yeah. Okay. Had to spill my gum out. Please, come on, garbage. Is you gonna stay back? They be hating on your girl with the noise, baby. Always remember to get it out the soil no matter what. And be aware of your thoughts, because your thoughts become actions, and your thoughts are the seed. I ain't gonna be they ain't gonna let me be great now, because it's coming closer and closer. Damn, I ain't even say like, comment, and subscribe.